In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Fax and Scan scanner not detected on Windows 10 or 11. First method is to start the Windows Image Acquisition Service. Right-click on the Start icon, click on Run, and then type services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, scroll down and look for the service named Windows Image Acquisition. Right-click on that and select Start if it's not already running. Right-click again on the Windows Image Acquisition and select Properties. In the Properties window, under Startup type, select Automatic, and then click OK to save the changes. Step 2 or Method 2 is to run the device diagnostic. Type CMD in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, pass the following command, which is msdt.xex/id device diagnostic. Press Enter to execute the command and follow the on-screen instructions to troubleshoot and detect any issues with your scanner. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.